So look at the parts that were filed. You see? And I filed the sole too. And then these parts I filed it too because those ready-mades, that's why they are not usually durable. They remove all because they were not filed. Everything was just looking like this. And once they apply gum, it will not stick. The gum will not stick to it. It will not absorb gum. Do you get? But with the way it is now, after being filed, once you put gum to this, you will hardly be able to remove it. And when it sticks to this or this, it just remains like that. So that's the benefit or advantage of filing our leathers. So now, you remember the hole that was inside the insole? You're going to bring out the hole now. I'm using this punch. This is called punch. You see, they have it in different sizes. Different sizes. Having numbers. They are indicated and recognized with numbers. So I'll be using size 6 for punching. And here is my punch board to serve as the table or the plank that you placed on. So since I'm seeing the part that was punched before, I'll place it on that part. Then I'll use my hammer. You see? Can you see what we got? So I have to stick in the upper. Stick in the upper. I try to make it go in through the hole. So it is time to apply gum. There we go. This is up, down, so come here. You know, as I removed the upper at first, the mark was just there. That place used to be deep because it's a repair. It has been there for long, so I'm still seeing that part. I'm still seeing that depth. So I'm marking it. That's how it goes. And this one too, like this. So I'm putting a mark. You see, you can compare it with the second one, and also mark to get accurate measurement. You see. So here it is. Since I've marked this one, so you know how to place it, where the line should start. On the other side too, you see the line. It's as simple as this. I don't want the person to complain that I changed the way it is. It was in his leg, so I'd rather make it look good. Except he wants me to make it tight or loose than the way it was before. So you see. So shouldn't hear any complaint. Or had it been the complaint that the pair is too tight or loose, please help me do something to it. Then I'll have to mark a different place. If I put it here, that means I still want it to go in more. It will be tighter. And if I should put it here, that means I'm bringing it out more. So I will not bother to file all these parts. Do you get? So that's it. What's the next thing? The next thing is to apply. Sorry. The next thing is to heat. To heat very well. You can place it on something and heat. Being a certified shoemaker, I prefer to use the glass. Putting it on something, placing it on something will just be the last option. So, then you heat. It has dried up. So you fix carefully. Cleaning it, so when the person comes, he will see it's fine. It was dusty when he brought it, so it shouldn't remain the same. It shouldn't be looking the same way. for any stains of gum on the body of the leather, kindly put a cloth, dip a cloth in small kerosene, and then it will clean up. And after that, this one is even removable. So that is it. The shoe is ready. Yeah. You surely continue to step with this on the floor. You don't need to clean that. It's a repair, not new. Thank you. Thanks for watching.